Hey everyone, and welcome back to InterConnect Wiring, where connections matter. I'm Steve Floyd, Program Manager, and we're continuing our 2025 blog series today looking and talking about something we take great pride in, meeting the needs of the warfighters. Let's check them out.
At InterConnect Wiring, we've been a trusted supplier of electrical wiring harnesses and cockpit panel assemblies for decades. Whether it's supporting legacy aircraft like the F-16 or newer 5th generation fighters like the F-22, our mission is clear: deliver precision, reliability, and readiness every time. Let's start with the F-16. This aircraft has been flying for over 40 years and continues to be a strong presence in many air forces worldwide. We specialize in complete modification kits for field upgrades and harnesses that extend the life of the F-16, as well as new block changes of the aircraft, where new production is essential for global air superiority for our allies and preparing it for the next generation of combat missions. Our team supports modernization programs that upgrade legacy systems with modern, mil-spec compliant components, ensuring these aircraft stay combat ready for years to come. Then we have the F-22, America's first stealth air dominance fighter. Precision is everything with this aircraft. InterConnect Wiring provides mission-critical harnesses with zero tolerance for failure. Every connector, contact, and clamp must meet the strictest standards for performance under pressure. Our engineers and technicians use advanced testing and inspection protocols to ensure every part we deliver is flight-ready and future-proof. Whether it's the proven power of the F-16, the stealth edge of the F-22, InterConnect Wiring's proud to keep our warfighters connected and mission ready. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and visit our website to stay tuned for more future videos, articles, and updates.